हमारे साथ पानी पूरी का पंचनामा खेलने आई हैं नुसरत।
I don't know why I signed up for this.
Honestly,
Guys,
she's so
क्यों?
beautiful.
क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं? क्यों हूँ यहाँ?
नुसरत आ तो गई मेरे 1000 बार डीएम भेजने के बाद, लेकिन शी वॉज डेफिनेटली नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर व्हाट वाज कमिंग अहेड।
इस गेम के रूल्स बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है। हम पानी पूरी खाएंगे एंड हर पानी पूरी के बाद आई आस्क यू अ वेरी स्पाइसी क्वेश्चन जो आप आंसर करोगे। बट अगर आपका आंसर बहुत एवरेज मीठा पानी पूरी, क्या खजूर का पानी वाला गोलगप्पा टाइप आंसर हुआ,
फेवरेट खजूर पानी पूरी।
देन यू हैव टू ईट दिस चिली।
What?
यस,
Rubbish.
चीयर्स। यस, दिस इज नाइस, कम ऑन। आपने कभी ड्रंक होके तबाही मचाई है?
मतलब ड्रंक होने का पॉइंट ही नहीं होगा, दवाई नहीं बजा सकती।
एग्जैक्टली। अब पूरा पानी डालना। हाँ, you've been cheating a lot. Put on.
ये लो।
Okay. और देखो वो लीक हो रहा है। Cheers, जल्दी दिखाओ। Tell me a bitchy fight that you've had with somebody.
Oh no. Okay, yeah, sorry. What was the question? Where were we?
Have you ever had like a bitchy cat fight with somebody on set?
With my present best friend.
Oh, how
That
did that
was
happen?
my absolute enemy.
Okay.
So it's so there were 3 girls on a film. There was me, Ishita, and Sonali. And I've had the worst fights with Ishita on set.
About what?
Like she would wear the same lipstick I would wear. And I'm like, babes, मैंने pink लगाया, तू कुछ और लगा ना. No, I like pink. So I said, okay, fine, I'll go and change it. So I would come in the vanity and make it red. She would actually come back in the vanity and make it red.
Oh,
I'm like, I'm going to kill you. So we were actually fighting like cats and dogs. We were literally at it. So I've called her now to Lafsa's office. हम टेरेस पे हैं, 2 लड़कियां गालियां दे के चिल्ला रही है एक दूसरे पे। भाई तू ये और शीता तू ये और तूने कैसे किया और तूने कैसे किया। अच्छा दिख मत जाइयो तो मुझे अगले प्रमोशन में। This is what was happening. Ishita and me were absolute enemies for the rest of our 3 films. Like till Sonu Ki Didi Ki Sweetie, we didn't look at each other.
And
Yeah,
then,
Pyar Ka Panchnaama 2, we couldn't even look at each other.
then how did you become friends?
I think the best friendships come from the worst kind of interactions or times. I think that makes you
It
stronger.
was trauma bonding.
More than trauma bonding, हमने एक दूसरे को सब देख ही लिया था।
मेरी आज की गेस्ट केम ड्रेस्ड फॉर द ओकेजन, और सच बोलूं तो इनका स्पाइस टॉलरेंस वाज अनदर लेवल। शी इज द ओजी बूजी क्वीन ऑफ द इंटरनेट, कुशा कपिला।
Thank you for having me.
I am so excited.
I'm very excited. Spice tolerance कितनी है?
थोड़ी बहुत इधर उधर।
इधर-उधर?
Yeah.
Okay.
पेट खराब हो जाता है, बस वो दूध पी के भी हो जाता है।
कर लेंगे। I am very excited. Questions कितने कलेशी रखे हैं?
ठीक ठाक है। As we move forward, we'll have fun.
We'll have fun. Okay.
We'll have fun. Kalesh will happen later on Reddit. So at least right now we're having fun.
ये क्या नाम ले लिया है? Starting में, oh my God, palpitating. But okay, fine. Let's do it.
You have come dressed for the occasion. You
For
have
you.
mirchis on your titties and in your ears. You look so hot.
Thank you. I am all spiced up and ready for you.
Yeah.
कुशा ने कहा कि शी स्पाइस्ड अप एंड रेडी, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना किसी कलेशी सवाल से ही स्टार्ट करूं।
So Kusha,
It's a mouthful.
I'm sure you fought with a lot of people.
What do you mean?
I mean, a healthy amount.
I'm a peace-loving girl. Yeah, tell me.
Sure. You have mirchi on your tits.
I mean, I do.
पर आपने कभी लड़ाई के बाद किसी को अनफॉलो किया है? I feel like asking this question. And did they notice? Or did they post stories about you? Or continue to crack jokes? Like, whichever question you want to answer.
I think you know the answer to all those questions.
I don't know anything.
हाँ, मैंने अनफॉलो भी किया है, मैंने ब्लॉक भी कर दिया है, because I'm a very like Virgo about those things. But I want to talk about something else. So एक बार हम किसी तो, I think you know this, हम किसी तो ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे गए थे. Remember?
I don't remember.
एक बड़ी सी फिल्म का ट्रेलर
I
लॉन्च
have the
था.
memory of a goldfish. I don't know what you're talking about.
एक ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे गए
But what
थे.
I do know is Kusha Kapila was not following me till like 2 days ago, and then she followed me. But Kusha
Not
does text
2
me and
days
watch my
ago.
content.
Not 2
I
days
said it
ago.
first, so now I
started
understood.
following you when you made that really fun roast video. जो तूने roast का जवाब दिया था roast से.
Yeah.
I think that was very
It was
very
the worst
cool.
decision ever.
Why?
because it starts a ripple effect. जहाँ
No,
और
it doesn't. It's okay to stand for yourself once in a while. Don't be
yes,
apologetic
that's
about
what I
it.
told my PR people. They were not happy with it.
No. Not everything can be PR. Something has to be organic. You are a content creator. You can do what you want to. But I have to tell you what has happened.
Okay, tell me.